I've always asked myself if I'm good enough. Could I be more precise? Or if I actually belong here? As an avionics system specialist, I repair cockpit displays like the liquid crystal display units used in Airbus A320s and A330s. Defective units can hinder pilots as the information display is critical for the flight. Therefore, precision is essential to everything that we do. I ask myself sometimes, what can I do better? How can I be sure if something is repaired adequately? So I remember going to France to take a product training course. It meant a lot to me because the course would allow me to certify that a repaired product is fit for service. The tough part was to apply what we learned to actual repair work, so I had to go back and forth between the course materials and the actual device and very carefully understand how all the components work together. Eventually, when you persevere, you have a breakthrough. This is my stamp. Sometimes, our turnaround timelines can be quite challenging. Thales is equipped with high-end technologies, from robots to AI.
You can see with this data that we have, we are able to say how much time the technician is spending on the batches.
Potentially, we may use Gen AI to boost the efficiency of the technicians.
So if we are able to manage for using AI, eventually you will be also optimizing for the bench.
This is the DLB we need. Being a senior in the organization also means that we have juniors that are learning from us. And this is something that I'm very passionate about. I am very happy when the juniors come to me and say that they managed to repair the units after following my advice. I'm also very grateful for my colleagues who come in and help when we are in a pinch. When I'm finally able to restore the component to working condition, I feel a great sense of satisfaction. It's like seeing something come back to life. I feel really proud seeing the work that we do here in Singapore being used all around the world. If I can do it, I hope others will be able to master this craft too. My name is Farhana and this is my life at Thales in Singapore.